Hi there, this is May from Printables and Inspirations, and I'm here to show you my April bullet journal. Today I'm sharing a video on how I doodle in my weekly spread to keep a record of happy memories. A quick disclaimer, this is not a doodle or lettering tutorial. By sharing this video, I hope to give you an idea on how to use this free printable planner from our website and inspire you to create a memorable and happy journal. If you'd like to know where to get this free planner and the stickers I used, then go ahead and click the links in the description box. The succulents, however, are stickers I bought at a local shop, but you may use whatever you have in your supplies. I also listed down below all the pens I used and the Amazon links in case you want to buy them. If you do, you'll also be supporting our website at no extra cost to you. I usually doodle on my weekly spread every day while having coffee at my favorite cafe. But for this video, I only penciled in my happy moments and then filmed this in my room at the end of the week. Last Wednesday, Albert and I went to our doctor to get a new prescription. After that, I was able to finish my Easter printables and post it on our website. I rarely post about Bible verses, so this was really a special event for me. On Thursday, we went to attend my nephew's recognition day where he received a medal for best in reading. We gave him a hula hoop as a gift and he really loved it. We also gave him a special gift from his mommy and daddy who are both working in Australia. The following day, we took our nephew to the mall. There, we spent a lot of coins trying to win this frog stuffed toy. Both boys also played the car racing game. Afterwards, we had some waffle sandwiches and squid balls. It was really a fun and tiring day. On Saturday, we had some family time with more relatives. We went to a private pool to celebrate my niece's birthday on Sunday. It was also a welcome party for my other niece who was visiting from Dubai. It was an overnight thing, and the following day, we enjoyed a lot of food at a buffet. And that's my first April weekly spread. Since you've reached this point, please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more future videos. I'm already working on my May bullet journal and I'm so excited to share that with you. Meanwhile, please watch my April Pujo layout for more weekly spreads and inspiration. Have a beautiful day and thanks for watching!